in Los Angeles. Officers respond to a home where an 89-year-old woman is waiting, and the person she says hurt her is still inside.
I'm directed.
Let's go to the police department. You guys live here, right?
Yes.
Can I talk to you over here real fast? Did you guys witness anything, or?
We did not. We were sitting on the front porch smoking a cigarette, and she came running out, screaming, help me, help me, my granddaughter's attacking me. So we got to her as fast as we could, and I called 911. She said that her granddaughter kicked her, bit her on the ankle, threw her on the ground. But just so you know, she is mostly deaf. She can hear if you speak really loud, but she has a speech impediment because of that, so it can be kind of hard to understand her.
Okay, where does she live at?
Right there.
Is she older?
Yeah, she's like 89.
Okay. Hey, hi, ma'am. I'm Officer Mandario. Let's go to the police department.
You have to speak up.
Okay. Is she able to walk? Like,
Yeah, she walks over here, but she's very shaky right now.
Okay.
I mean, I have one gate on.
Okay. Would it be comfortable like if you go back to your house and then I'll talk to you?
No.
Okay. Okay, I was just asking you because I know it's kind of cold, okay?
I had to get out and get away from her. She kept taunting me. She bit me on the leg when I pushed her away.
Okay. So what happened from the beginning? What happened, ma'am?
Oh, she had dogged me one day. Got so angry, and I wouldn't look at her. And she grabbed me by the wrist. And she said, look at me, and she wanted to argue with me, and I wouldn't. And I said, please, you're hurting me. I got outside and back, and she grabbed me again, and she hurt me. I'm yelling out the back, help me, please, somebody help. And she would.
How did she bite you though? Like, did she fall?
And she's supposed to be packing all the things. She's supposed to be leaving. I was laying on the sofa watching TV. And she said something that I didn't look at her because I didn't want to talk to her. And then she came over and I started attacking me over that a little container right there. From a Chinese place and got my Chinese.
Okay. Hold on.
She had
just give me a second. Let me tell her that. Just go contact her.
Does she need medical?
That's what I'm about to get. I think I'm gonna ask her if she wants to get transported, and most likely she's probably gonna say yes.
Yeah.
Because she doesn't want to go back to the house. Because it's cold. It's cold. You want to go back over there? She's like, no.
Okay. All right. Yeah. He's gonna ask right now.
Ma'am, so we're still gonna do our investigation. Do you want to be transported to the hospital? Get checked out? You don't know?
I don't know. She's been doing this to me for 3 days now. I just want her there. Just get away from me, please.
Does she live here with you? Does she live here with you?
Oh my God, yes.
Okay.
Miss Judy.
She attacked me.
Miss
She
Judy.
threw me on the floor.
Judy.
I'm pushing her, getting away from her.
I think you should go to the hospital, okay? I really think you should to get checked out.
We can come pick you up.
We can come pick you up, but I think you need to get checked out at the hospital.
Or how about this? We'll have medical come. They'll check you out, and then they'll advise whether that you go or not. And it's up to you.
Please take her out of there.
Okay.
I have dogs in there.
Okay. We'll go talk to her. We'll see what's going on. But yeah, can we do that? Can we call medical?
I'm gonna show her your leg, okay?
Check you out?
I'm gonna show her your leg. Is that fine?
Can I see your leg?
How old is your granddaughter?
How old is she? She's 20.
And she's at the house right now?
29, right?
She's 29 years old.
Okay.
And she's inside the house right now?
She has what?
She's there at the house?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just so you know, she told me that not only did she bite her, she said that she threw her on the
You
ground.
don't tell me where I am.
And
I'm
then she kicked
afraid
her.
of it.
This case turns on 3 legal questions. California defines battery as any willful, unlawful touching, no injury required, because grandmother and granddaughter shared a home. The law treats this as domestic battery, not ordinary battery.
Hello. Do you mind stepping out here and talking to me? Do you have a seat on the?
Yeah.
What's going on this evening?
I had some rice that I had in the fridge.
Okay.
for my dinner. She's kicking me out. I said, fine, I'll be out in a week.
Okay.
That was yesterday. This is
Okay.
the day. She took it in her hands to throw it out.
Okay.
I went over to her and said, what the hell happened to my rice? That was my dinner. I don't have anything to eat right now.
Okay.
She started cracking up, laughing, saying it was old. I'm like, Granny, it was 2 days old. I got that 2 days ago. She's like, oh, well, who cares? Just that you had no right touching food that wasn't even yours.
Yeah.
I got that from a friend at my job. Yes, I'm in her face. I'm like,
You don't have to get
I'm
close
like
to mine, but how
this-
far would you say?
about here.
Okay.
She's on the sofa. I'm standing. I'm like, what the
She's standing in front of the sofa or
sitting
sitting?
on the sofa.
Okay.
She's laying on the sofa.
Okay.
I stand in front of the sofa. What the
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my dinner. I'm trying to get out as fast as I can. She doesn't even want me here right now. She wants me over at my place right now that I'm currently trying to move into.
Yeah.
She grabs me.
Which hand would you say?
She's probably like her right. She's
right.
right-handed. She
Okay.
pretty sure fucking
So when she's laying on the sofa, is her head over here and her legs this way, or is it the other way?
Yeah, like right here.
Okay.
So I push her back to get her off me. And she's freaking out. I noticed she's having a hard time breathing. I had asked, so I get my inhaler to be like, hey, 2 puffs. Hold it like this. 2 puffs, take a breath.
Where else did she grab one?
She's on my face, like here. She's on my arms. Hands are right because she's grabbing and squeezing. I'm like, I'm just trying to get her the off me.
Okay, but just a question. Where are you shoving her when she's grabbing onto you?
I'm trying to push her back onto the sofa.
Okay.
She's trying to move all around. I'm trying to... No, sofa so you don't fucking hurt yourself.
Okay. So should your grandma, it's your grandma, right?
Yes.
Should she have any other injuries to her?
Not that I know, because like I should like grab her hands. She might have some redding on her arms because I'm trying to pull her off. And she's grabbing at my face, scratching my chest. So I'm trying to grab and push her.
And all of this is she's grabbing at you while she's laying down?
She's sitting up, trying to move around.
Okay.
I just want to know what the hell you did with my rights. She threw it out. And I'm like, I honestly, if I get a ride, I will leave right now with the rest of my shit.
So I kind of know how you got your injuries, right? Because she was trying to scratch you, right?
Yeah.
So she does have some injuries as well. You know how she got them,
Like, because I know when she was trying to grab me, if it's on like her arms and stuff, that's because I was grabbing her to get her off of me from grabbing and scratching. She was right here. She was grabbing at my glasses.
Okay.
I don't have vision insurance right now. I can't break these, so I'm grabbing her to push her off of me.
Did she happen to fall in that time frame, or on the floor? Or?
Yes, but she has bad hips. So that's why I was trying to get her to push her to the couch, so less fall. It's seating like here. So when I'm trying to get her off, I was aiming for the couch, so it wasn't a bad fall. It's cushioned. It's a soft couch. Like I don't want to cause her more pain, even though she fucking hates me for stupid shit.
Do you mind if I go inside and take pictures of where it happens?
Yeah.
So I guess it's been going for the past 3 days, and it was literally for over some rice or something like that. But I guess they've been clashing for the past 3 days, and it's been like little shoving here and there.
Over what?
Rice that she threw away. I guess grandma's pretty much just frustrated with her and wants her out. But it's been building up, and I guess right now she was trying to get up from the sofa, and I guess she was having a attack, and she just kept putting her down, and she just kept getting up. And she's like, you know what? She was pretty much trying to fight her because she has injuries too. So it kind of seems like she was just like trying to like, hey, just go to sleep, stay in the bed right there on the sofa. But yeah, but she does have injuries where I guess kind of consistent with she's trying to like, hey, just have a seat, and she's all scratched up here. So it kind of seems like she was just like a welfare check for her. Like it's like, hey, don't.
Did she say anything about the bite? Like if you bit her or not? Because she does have a bite mark.
I saw it too.
Yeah.
She didn't say anything, none of that. She said she might have some injuries here from the arms where she was grabbing her, and maybe the back where she fell, and that's pretty much
She
it.
did say that she grabbed her, but she kept on telling her to let go, and she wasn't letting go.
Yeah. And that's pretty much because she was trying to run away, and then I guess it got to the point that she's like, you know what, if you really want to take off, go ahead. She's like, I'll just pack my stuff and I'll head out.
So because I'm going to ask you some other questions.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna read you something. With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me? Still wish to speak to me? Yes. So mainly, we keep asking you, should your grandma have any other injuries? Because there was a couple of injuries she did have to a person. How would she have gotten those injuries?
I know I was trying to push her off of me. And she was grabbing and pushing and scratching. She did try to bite.
Where?
She tried biting my hand.
Okay, so at what point, if you could just start from the beginning, she's laying, you're standing her, you're addressing the rice.
It was when she first fell. I was trying to help pick her up because I know she has a bad leg and I don't want her. She bruises easily.
Yeah.
I don't want her to get super hurt, so I was trying to pick her up. I said, "Let me get you on the couch so you don't hurt yourself."
Okay.
She grabbed my hand and tried biting my hand.
And did she say anything while she's doing that? No? Okay. And she had fallen because she tried to get up and you guys
walk away, and I was standing there.
Did you stop her from walking away?
Yes.
Yes.
I know that
and how did you stop her from walking away?
Hand out, can we talk? And then I'm trying to help her up. She's trying to bite my hand.
Okay. And then when she's trying to bite your hand, what do you do?
Try to push her away.
Okay. At any point did your hand hit her mouth, her lip, her nose?
Maybe trying to rip my hand away.
Okay. So it wasn't just like there wasn't any reaction where you just hit her face to get her to stop from trying to bite you.
I can't say I didn't hit because I don't remember how fast. I know I tried pushing it. It might have been faster than I wanted, harder than I wanted, but.
And where would you have hit her on her face?
Probably mouth because she was trying to bite me.
Okay, so you kind of which hand would you say you hit her with?
Probably my left because she's grabbing my right. If anything, it was just a quick get off of my hand. Don't bite me.
Yeah. Okay, so it didn't happen how you originally said, where she's laying on the couch, and then you're in front of her, and you said she reaches up, scratches you. You don't remember when you got that scratch?
I only realized it was a good scratch after.
Okay. Your grandma has an injury to her ankle. How did she get that injury? At any point did you bite her this evening?
I don't know.
If there was a point that you could have maybe bit her, at what point during this whole interaction, when was it?
I honestly.
But is it a possibility?
Probably.
Yes? Okay. And you don't remember at what point it happened, but there's a possibility that you bit your grandma this evening?
Officers could arrest on probable cause alone because the victim is over 65 and related by blood. Under Penal Code 836, subsection D, that authority applies even though both women showed injuries that evening. Her wishes never controlled that decision. Once accused, she was read her Miranda rights, based on Miranda versus Arizona from 1966, and chose to keep talking. That protection only starts once questioning turns custodial. Under Berkemer versus McCarty from 1984, that choice made everything she said afterward fully admissible.
Probably.
Okay. Well, I appreciate you talking to me. Just hang out here. I'm gonna go talk to him really fast, and then we're gonna get your grandma some help.
So you want me to be arrested for battery on the house phone?
Go ahead and put your hand through.
Do you have anything in your pockets around the phone? Your phone?
Put it in my back pocket.
We're just trying to get her. We're just trying to get her to call brother or sister-in-law to see if they can come because she doesn't know where the keys are.
So what's it look like? What's gonna happen?
So you'll talk to a judge in the morning, and you pretty much explain your case. Yeah.
Have you ever been arrested before?
No.
This is the first time. So they'll kind of just go over the paperwork or like the charges and then see if you have any past, history. If you don't have anything, they'll kind of put that in consideration about you being released.
I was supposed to do shit tomorrow too.
And like I said, we don't have the option. Like your grandmother didn't pursue, so you guys are household members. Yeah.
I get it.
I'm sorry.
She claims self-defense, but admitting she struck her grandmother's face weakened that claim significantly. The charge is a misdemeanor, carrying up to 1 year in jail, a $2,000 fine, and mandatory batterer's treatment if probation is granted. And prosecution belongs to the state, not the alleged victim. Even if she wants the case dropped, the officer earns an A for following probable cause instead of the victim's ambivalence. The granddaughter earns a D, since her account shifted from a defensive push to an admitted strike. 3 lessons matter here. Family members sharing a home get the same protections as spouses. Miranda silence is the safest answer, and arrest decisions rarely belong to the victim. For more legal breakdowns, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which grade you'd have given.